Okay, well, in the abyss of stuff here, I'm actually working on my truck. There's the fuel tank progress. I had to redo that. I kind of messed it up and didn't let it cure all the way. So that's a thing. But I did get my LMC truck box. And let's see. Yeah, I got new corner lights here. These are for the turn signal and running light. And then we got.
I put it right there. Thank God. I'm like, where did I do that?
And then we've got these are replicas from Dennis Carpenter. Still got the Ford emblem on it and everything. It looks exactly like the factory ones, except these are actually amber and not brown. Got another one. Got lots of these. There's another corner light in there. So yeah, we're gonna work on that today. All right, tubes, let's do this. The only thing we have to really do is unplug our thing down here, which is gonna be fun because I got battery cables and stuff. You get a different LED for that. I don't like that one. Should have ordered new headlight buckets.
So say it now. It's all your fault that I can't stop going. Why my head?
Damn it, Anthony. There we go. She's out. Oh, that's right. I put huge nuts on there because I'm missing them. And of course, wrong size. Okay, I think those are torque converter nuts from the Explorer. The 95 I once had, which someone recently asked me if I still have it. I'm like, that's been gone for years.
What?
Someone asked me if I still have the 95 Explorer. I'm like, if I did, you would have saw it. Old and busted, new hotness. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at the difference.
Oh God. That's nasty.
Yeah, it is. All right, there's an orientation to this, and it looks like we just need to have it like this. Big lug here, and then I'm gonna actually get a towel and wipe all the dirt off.
Okay, I don't stop that. God. It's like I put support for everything now. It's horrible.
Tink. Don't want to snap it off. That looks much better.
Damn it, I should have known that was going to scream me as soon as I did it. Well, the good thing I have to buy another light bar. I was getting credit this.
Alright, Tibbs. What you can't see, if you end up fighting this a little bit, there's actually a little... let's see if I can do this here. I can barely see a thing here. There's a little knob down there. You gotta get it into the hole and aligned, and then and she'll go in. Wow, look at that difference. Oh my God, I didn't realize how nasty those were. Wow. I think all of this stuff here I'm gonna end up ordering new, and I still need to take the bumper off and get this out and finish getting that bed lined as well. I think that'll look good, and just get some fresh trim there. Anyways, let's put the screws back on. God, that looks so much better.
Now your headlight lenses are just like.
You know what? Those need to go too. I'm gonna order new ones.
Okay.
Let's see how that looks.
I'm happy now that I know that actually. Well, it's still my fault, but you know.
Wow, you can actually see the light in there this time. I almost can't tell that one's on, but then this one here is like ka-chow. Might put some Loctite on these. I think I actually need to get new inserts. They're a little tuckered out. Yeah, I'll just do that. You guys like how I secured that?
That's disgusting. There's just some things I wish I could pretend I didn't see, but that's not gonna happen.
That just broke off. Here, maybe we can just, you know.
Now it is again. Just fucked it up the third time.
Yeah, we'll just take that off, and then look, there you go. That's out of there. And I don't have to be like, oh, this fucking get out of here, flies. Little bastards. All right.
Can I fly with you?
Dang. All right, tubes. New light. Let's stab her in. Let's see, this is gonna go. There's actually a drain for moisture to get out. You want that on the bottom. Yeah, it's snug. Look at that. What a difference. Yeah, I can actually tell that they're on. That's sweet. Look at that. That looks so much better, doesn't it, tubes? Yeah. All right, let's get that out of there. We got room. We got room. It's a little hard to get you guys in here. I can barely see what I'm doing, so I better not hear any complaining. Oh, I was like, what happened to my LED? Oh, I put the tiny ones in it. Those work pretty good in here. So there's. Okay, so I need to get a ratchet and a 13. Be right back. Okay, dude, let's see if we can get in here with this. Look at that. This thing's ready to come out. Got an old nut. I got new ones. Brand spanky new ones. Oh, I think that, yeah, that broke off. So now, this should just come right out of here. Yep, like that. Now, this is one reason why we're replacing these. Broken, this is gonna break, and it's actually severely warped, discolored. Alright, I'm gonna go find one that matches this side and yeah, we'll slap her in. Look at the difference. This is 38 years old. And of course this is brand new. New one still has the Ford logo on it, so it looks original. Yeah. Here we go. And it fits beautifully. Unlike that cheapo one I got on the other side, that thing did not want to fit at all. Piece of crap. So I've got brand new. These were 45 cents each and I just dropped it. Anyways, these are 45 cents each. I just bought a ton of these. Why not, right? And there goes the rest of them. So these are thread cutting, so you just get it on there and just start tightening it up. And just be careful, it is, you know, plastic, don't want to break it off. Look at that, and it's original. Let's put that light on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. That's freaking beautiful. This corner looks so much better. Now I need to get new, some better looking headlight lenses. Guys, like the big old dent I put in my fender. I don't know what I hit. Yeah, this lens, I think this is for the driver's side actually. Definitely gonna be getting more. Definitely not meant for this side. Yeah, get out of there. I think this is meant for the driver's side. Whoops! Hey Tubes, wanna see something funny? I put the driver's side light in the passenger side and I just smashed it in there. Isn't that great? Well, this is still good. I'm gonna keep it as a spare so it'll go in the Horde. But this is junk. Okay, this is gonna be the fun part here, Tubes. Yeah, this feels a lot nicer than that other one I had there. So, here we go. Oh, it just fits. It goes right in there. It doesn't, you're not fighting it. All right, let's see how that looks. Fresh amber, yeah, buddy. Twink. Yep. Much better. Much better. Okay, I feel great. I feel really great right now. Okay. Well, anyways, Tubes, that's it for this video. We'll catch you next time. So that light stuff is done. Cool. Now, I need to go see what Adam's up to.